Hey guys, welcome to Digit. Today we have with us the boAt 1400 Bluetooth speakers. As we can see, it's quite a big box and these are pretty large speakers. And if we take a look at the box, we can see it's got Google and Siri voice assistant compatibility. It's got a portable outdoor rugged design with a convenient fabric handle, and we've got dual tweeters, dual woofers and a dual passive radiator with 30 watt sound. So let's take a look at the box and see if we can take a look at some features before we can open the box itself. So at the back we've got a dynamic 30 watt powerful sound, we've got a 2500 mAh battery with up to 7 hours of playback, we've got true wireless connectivity, we've got AUX USB compatibility, we've got Bluetooth 5.0, and we've also got an IPX5 water resistance. We've got equalizer modes, a Type-C charging point and easy access controls. So let's take a look inside the box. So inside the box we've got what looks like, so we've got an aux cable in here. Yeah, we've got an aux cable, and we've also got a Type-C to USB cable for charging, right? We've also got a boAt head sticker, and we've got the documents. So we've got the warranty and the manual in here. Let's keep that aside. Okay, so here we have the speakers. Let's get them out of the packaging. As you can see, it's quite big and it's also a bit heavy. So once we get the speakers out of the packaging, go. So as you can see, we have a pretty sturdy fabric strap on top, which is connected to the sides. And we've also got the controls over here. Right over here we can see we've got the LED lights for the indications when it's on. We've got the power button, we've got the reduce volume, play, increase volume, and also the equalizer settings button. Let's flip this over to the side, and over here we can see we've got the input for the aux, the USB and the Type-C. There you have the boAt 1400 Bluetooth speakers. Thanks for watching.